Broken disposal? Fix it fast with this video. Not working at all? Making a loud noise? Buzzing or humming? Disposal does not make a sound. You may need to reset. Unplug the disposal. Locate the reset button and press it. Plug it back in and test the disposal. Still not working? Check your kitchen for a GFCI outlet needing reset. You may need to check your electrical panel for a tripped breaker. Checking your disposal for power. You can use a receptacle tester or volt-ohm meter if you have one. If you don't have either of those, you can easily test it with a lamp. Loud grinding or humming noise, but not working. This is most likely from an object stuck in the grinder. Here's how to quickly remove the disposal and clear the grinder. For your safety, always unplug the disposal first before you work on it. You will need to loosen the lock ring and pipe connecting the disposal to sink and plumbing. Place a tray to catch any water or debris that falls out. Use your hands if loose enough, but if not, a large wrench turned counterclockwise should loosen it. A Phillips screwdriver works well to loosen the mounting ring. Insert driver into the ring and turn counterclockwise. Support the disposal with your hand, for it will want to fall. Remove it from the plumbing. Remove the rubber gasket. A flathead screwdriver works well. Take off the support ring. Pay attention to its orientation for future replacement. The object may fall out with a good shake. But you may have to get your hands dirty. Reassemble the disposal, making sure the ring is in its correct position. Replace the gasket. Hook back to plumbing and refasten the ring to the sink. Plug in the disposal. Laying a paper towel will help you find small leaks. Test the disposal. Run water and check for leaks. If your disposal still does not work, you may have to replace it. If your receptacle still does not have power, consult an electrician. If this video helped, please like and subscribe.